Quicksort is a divide and conquer algorithm, and first we need to choose a pivot on which we're gonna divide this array. A common choice for a pivot is choosing the last element in the array, and in our case it's 8. Next, we need to rearrange this array so that all elements that are smaller than 8 need to be on the left side, and all elements that are greater than 8 need to be on the right side. And that will ensure the final location of 8. There are several ways of doing that, and one of the ways is by placing a pointer to the first element and comparing them. In this case, 1 is smaller than 8, so we move to the next element. We put a pointer to 17, and now we compare 17 with 8. 17 is greater than 8, so that means that 17 needs to go on the right side of 8. We put a pointer to this location, saying that 8 should be in this place, or any smaller number that we're gonna encounter later on needs to go in place of 17. And we can move to the next position. So now we are looking at 19, and 19 is greater than 8, so it also needs to go on to the right side of 8. Since our potential 8 position is pointing to 17 right now, we don't have to do anything with 19, and we can move to the next. 6 is smaller than 8, so it needs to go to the left side of 8. And that means that we need to replace it in the place where we have the pointer pointing for a bigger number than 8, which is 17. So we swap these two numbers, and after we do the swap, we move the pointer from 6 to 19 for the potential where 8 needs to go. After that operation, now we are at the end of the array, and we need to put 8 in the location where our pointer is pointing to for the potential 8 location. So we swap these two numbers together, and like that, 8 is in its final location. Now we divide this array with everything that is on the left side of 8 and everything that is on the right side of 8. So 8 is in its final position, and these are the two arrays that we are looking at. On these arrays, we need to do quicksort as well. So we choose the last element and do the same comparison. So 6 compared to 1, and in this case, our pivot is in its final location. So we can divide again, and we are left with one array of 1. And that is considered to be sorted array. So now we do the same thing with the other array as well. Point to 19, compare the two. 19 is in its final location. We're done with 19 position, and now we have an array left with 17, and that is sorted as well. And just like that, we have sorted this array by using quicksort algorithm. Thanks for watching this video, and if you are interested in learning more algorithms, you should watch this video next.